I don't eat sugar, then why am I diabetic? This is what I hear from many people who come for diabetes reversal. Let me break down a few myths around diabetes for you today. First, eating too much sugar causes diabetes. Not really. Excessive sugar intake can contribute to obesity, which is a risk factor for type 2 diabetes. But type 2 diabetes is primarily caused by insulin resistance. The real issue here is how your body processes carbohydrate, insulin, and metabolism rather than just sugar alone. Number two, diabetes is permanent and it cannot be reversed. The truth is that type 2 diabetes can often be reversed or put into remission through metabolic adjustments, weight management, and lifestyle changes. Even though mainstream treatment line uses medications that focus on just management of diabetes, research has shown that insulin resistance can be reduced and type 2 diabetes can be reversed to a great extent with the right kind of approach. Number three, only overweight people get diabetes. While obesity increases the risk, lean people can also develop diabetes due to factors like high visceral fat, poor muscle strength, insulin resistance, or even genetic factors. Number four, if you have diabetes, you must avoid carbohydrates completely. That's not true because not all carbs are bad. The focus should be on glycemic response, that is, how different foods impact your blood sugar. Whole fiber rich carbs in the right portions can be part of a balanced diet plan. Number five, once you start insulin, you have to take it for life. Not true, because many people with type 2 diabetes can reduce or even eliminate insulin dependency by correcting their metabolism. Number six, diabetes only affects blood sugar levels. Not true. Diabetes impacts many organs, including your heart, kidneys, nerves, and even eyes. So it's a metabolic disorder that can lead to complications like neuropathy, vision loss, and heart disease if it is not managed properly. Number seven, diabetes is genetic and you can't prevent it. Not true. While genetics play a role, epigenetics, that is the impact of your lifestyle choices, is the biggest factor in type 2 diabetes. Even if you have a family history, you can significantly reduce your risk of developing diabetes in your lifetime. Even if you can't prevent completely, you can at least postpone the onset of metabolic disorders. Number eight, eating diabetic foods helps control diabetes. The truth is that many so called diabetic friendly foods or even packaged food products contain hidden sugars, unhealthy fats, or artificial ingredients that can still spike blood sugar. So, the key is to eat whole, nutrient dense foods rather than depending on a magic potion that claims to cure diabetes without setting the fundamentals right.